Jai Bhai. No, we like your company. I'll just take a moment, but still very happy. A brand ambassador of the 10th edition and somebody, we're obviously talking a lot about 2024, but go back to 2007 because Rohit Sharma was a part of each and every edition of the ICC World T20. A young Rohit Sharma who won it as a player in 2007 and then in 2024 as a captain. I'm sure the memories are running and jogging right into your head, Rohit. But tell us, after the long celebrations out there on the field finished, and you went back into the dressing room when the dust settled for you, for Virat, for Rahul Dravid, for Jaddu, what was that moment of realization that afternoon?
Firstly, good evening, everyone. I would, from the bottom of my heart, like to thank ICC, Jai Bhai, for, it's a huge honor to be an ambassador of an ICC organization. And I was told by somebody just now that while playing, nobody has been announced as an ambassador of ICC. So it's a great privilege for me. And a great honor as well. Very thankful, very grateful. Hopefully, we can create again a magic that we created last year, with a different bunch of boys this time around. But yes, it's a huge task to win an ICC trophy. I have seen that personally as well with all these years. I've completed 18 years playing international cricket, and I've been fortunate enough to have won 2 recently, and then 2 at the very beginning of my career. And then in the middle, it was a huge drought where we couldn't win an ICC trophy. And I know how desperate we were as players, as team, as management to go and win that trophy. But to finally come out and win those trophies feels good. You can see, around the country how happiness, the amount of happiness that is spread with the sport that we play. So yes, that's one thing. But now to sit on the other side and watch the T20 World Cup, having played all the World Cups and not being there now, will feel a little different. But now I'm getting used